Once upon a time in a magical forest there lived a unicorn. One day, Luna discovered a village where people were suffering because their crops had failed. Seeing their plight, she decided to use her magic to help them. Luna sprinkled some of her magical dust over the fields, and soon the crops began to grow lush and green. The villagers were overjoyed and threw a grand feast in her honor, but Unicorn humbly declined the praise. Unicorn reminded the villagers true magic lies in kindness and helping others. From then on, the villagers not only tended their fields with care but also helped one another, keeping Luna's lesson alive. Dear kids, you should also help others in difficult time and act with kindness.